And so the fact that you can do this with software only is a huge advantage. I believe that NDI is not only video over IP. So I want that everybody consider NDI a connectivity technology. You know, imagine every time you set up a production, you need to take in account the cost per output.
Yes.
So the cost per output is a very important point. You know, when I need, and broadcasters that are used to struggle with this problem, you know, the broadcasters are making money per output. You cannot broadcast more than 24 hours a day with one output. No? And so if you need to make more money, you need to generate a new output. And so the fact that you can do this with software only is a huge advantage, because the cost per output now with NDI is a fraction of what could be with SDI, but even with 2110, you know, 2110 is an interesting technology, but you need a dedicated network, is only multicast, you need PTP, so it's very complex and it's very hardware oriented. And so to be back to the point, I think we can solve probably 90% of the use case. And then the other point where I think NDI is unique is the metadata support. I think this is huge. And because of the metadata, I believe that NDI is not only video over IP. So I want that everybody consider NDI a connectivity technology. No? We interconnect device. Of course, we can exchange video, audio, but metadata is very important, because I can control the device.
Control, yes.
I can share imaging in the future. There are many use cases where metadata are absolutely amazing. So we can even transport metadata that are related to the content, no? And then someone can use the metadata. Imagine I'm doing a sport production. I can transport all the scoring information, the timing and the scoring information over an NDI stream. And someone can render the graphic reading the metadata that are produced somewhere else. We have this vision, and I think it's quite unique. I'm not aware about any other technology that offers this kind of solution.